Welcome back to Guitalele tutorials. Today we are going to talk about strumming and chord changes. Rhythm is an integral part of music. So if you break the rhythm, even the non-musician people will also feel that something is missed, something is breaking there and the music is completely screwed up. For example, here I was fumbling with the chord change, right? So I played the A minor in the wrong position on the 3rd fret. Then I switched it back to the 2nd fret. You have barely noticed it, right? Barely noticed the change, barely noticed the miss here. Let's take another example. You immediately noticed it, right? So there is something amiss, there is some gap into the music altogether. So if you stop strumming, the rhythm is going to be broken and everyone is going to notice. If you are playing along with songs or with metronome ticks, you are less likely to encounter this problem. Because whenever there is a metronome tick going on, what happens is that it's basically an automatic thing. So let's say I'm targeting C to A minor. So I'm playing with the C. Now before the next tick comes, automatically your brain tells that, okay, oh man, now you have to change the chord before your next strum comes. Because if you have practiced all along, by this time your strumming should be automated response by hearing the metronome ticks, right? So, or maybe you have developed some internal sense of rhythm, and basically without metronome also you can play up something like this. Okay, now what happens is that whenever you are playing along with a metronome, or you are just and right now I'm just doing with my internal sense of timing, but whenever if you are trying to play along with the metronome, so there is a clicks going on, right? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. As my strumming was going on, the chord changes were done before the strum on the first beat. Okay, so for that, at some times, or maybe of all the times, I have to leave a little early, or it automatically happened. I didn't have to think about it, it automatically happened. That's the beauty of metronome, or playing along chord pot or drum beats, or playing along with songs, things that doesn't stop and doesn't allow you to stop your strumming, right? And eventually it forces you to change chord on time. And also this chord changes in a minute session, right? So this playing along songs or playing along, say, let's say drum beats or chord bot and the chord changes, these two are basically complementing each other. So if you just happen to play it in comfort, right? So okay, I am doing, let's say, 15 changes from C to A minor. So next day or the day after, we are going to at least target for 16. So let's say I'm changing this 1 2 3 4. Okay, now you're just at the time, let's so like that 15. Now try push yourself to change to 16 and make the number to 16. Even if you can't do that, at least push yourself. Don't feel comfortable. These two goes hand in hand, the playing along songs and with the chord changes in a minute sessions. Gradually you'll get better and better at this. Don't stop strumming whenever you're playing along with the songs, and things will automatically fall in place.